Welcome back to the Kachuk Family channel. Today I'll be making a video on how to make broth in the pressure cooker. We're going to start off by using our Instant Pot, and for that recipe we'll need an onion, bay leaf, garlic, celery, carrots, and salt. Fill your pot up until it is half full. Once you put your chicken in, it will be all the way full. So once your chicken is in, just put in all your ingredients. So there's really no wrong or right way of adding your ingredients into the broth. Just add them in, and we're obviously going to season it since you do want some seasoning on that chicken. I just add salt because I do add more seasoning later to the broth after it's cooked. Go ahead and close your lid. Make sure the vent is on closing, not venting, otherwise you will never get broth that way. And press your broth button. It will start counting down from 30, but in order to build that pressure first, it will take about another 10 minutes. So I'll say this broth in general will take about 40 minutes. Now on to my favorite part from pressure cooking. You never know how well your recipe turns out until you open that lid. So as you can see, this is hot, steamy, bubbly, lots of flavor in there. So on this last step, be very careful. It is very hot. Once you can handle the heat, we will just pour this broth out into the coriander, and we want to get that impurities out. We want to get all the big chunks, the garlic, the chunks of skin maybe from the chicken that fell off, because we do want to be just left over with clean soup. We don't want any of this stuff to float around. And there you have it. In just seconds on your part, you will have a broth in under an hour. This broth will be used for a chicken noodle soup, but you're welcome to use it for any recipes that call for broth. I hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.